so today we'll be making a ragdoll engine video. Why do I look like a freaking slender? Oh, I'm like almost I'm taller than this guy. Alex has a glitch. Naruto. What are you doing? Flies. I could take an emo. Push! Okay. Slide to side to side. Doo-doo. I'm just gonna be dancing up here. Oh my god, I got a sneeze. Achoo. Okay. Say bless you right now, or else you would die of a pain. I'm joking. Get off my act. Sounds weird. Stop. La 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 la. I'll just be dancing. Yay! 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 I'm dead. Oh. Can I not be so freaking tall? But now I'm huge. Doo, 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 doo. Just some dance moves. Help me. Come to a window. I'm so toxic. Press F4 for Robux. This guy's a real slender. Get die. Yes. It's time to push you. Huh? Who? Me? Or her? Oh, her. Yay! Victory Royale! P. What the frick? Fat! So fat. Ew! What is this? Stop. Why are you so tall? Yay, 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 yay. He says I know, right? I don't know about it. Hey guys, there's gonna be a war on OG between copy and paste and stop. That's it. Just die. Bruh! What I do? Yay! Oh, too short. Alright, bruh! Yay! Oh. Parkour. Yay! Oh. What the frick? Epic! JP. Yay! 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 We are big fat. Big fat. Big fat. What happened to your torso? Like, Jesus. Aw. You're not fat anymore. We're just looking at each other awkwardly. Huh? No, I'm not looking at you. Okay. Oh no. That guy's so tall. My height is at 0. That noob. Aw. Backflip. Go, go, dance. No, how? Hacks. Get noob. Why am I born like? Okay, there. My face. Ow. Jump on my dead butt, thank you. Ow. Ow. Double. Bang. Ha. That's do. Epic victory royale. Epic victory royale. Ha. Copyright. Sorry. Bruh! No, bro. I'm what? Ha! That's it. I'm back. You see a dead body? That's it. Hacker. Exactly. No. Yes, die. Yes. Yay. Aw, dead body. Die. Yes. You're welcome. Whatever. I'm bored. So, thank you for watching. And yeah, please get off with me. Please like and subscribe, right? No, please like and subscribe. Yeah. So I will see you in the next one. Bye. Bye. Hey, get off of me!